كيفكن؟ This is Samer from Yalla Arabee team. I'm going today to teach you the most common mistake in Arabic, which is I hear it too much. I feel it sounds weird for me. Maybe just because you translate from English to Arabic, usually Arabic teacher he knows English. يعني لغة التواصل بين الطالب والأستاذ إنجليزي. So and then sometimes I don't know, the teachers may be making mistake, don't explain the difference between them. So هلا for example, for if you have إذا ولو, both if in Arabic, but it's different. There is a difference between them. هلا إذا you use it with future, ولو you use it with past. Okay. For example, you say sometimes you hear after إذا past tense. That's right. But the meaning is the future. يعني you say مثلا إذا رحت على المسرح خبرني. If you went, so he used here in Arabic sometimes use the past. If you go, should say. But they say إذا رحت, they use the past, but the meaning in the future. So if you go to the theater, tell me, خبرني. هلا لو the most one, it's the people use it too much. لو سمحت. So لو سمحت, it's if you allowed. If you allowed. لو even there is a like Lebanese Syrian series, which is it's called, the title of it, it's لو, which is always talking about the past. لو عملت هيك كان صار هيك. If I did that, it's gonna happen that. So always when you feel regretted for something, so you use لو. So لو for the past and إذا for the future. Okay. لو رحت على أمريكا من زمان أكيد رح كون هلا طليق بالإنجليزي. So if I went to America من زمان يعني long time ago, for sure أكيد رح كون هلا I will be now طليق fluent بالإنجليزي in English. تمام؟ So this is the difference between إذا ولو. The second one is إيمتى ولما. Both of them is when. صح؟ That's right. But even this one, it's actually distinct. It's not just يعني the Arabic learners making mistake. Also the English learners, يعني the Arab people, because they translate it literally from their language to English, so they make this kind of mistake. So هلا when it's لما, so إمتى it's when, right? But for a question, إمتى بدك تروح على المكتب؟ إمتى بدك تروح على المكتب؟ When do you want to go to office? لما تروح على المكتب خبرني. لما تروح على المكتب خبرني. When you go to office, tell me. So you see the difference? So this is the second most common mistake بالعربي. هلا you use as well for when بس. Like I can say بس تروح على المكتب خبرني. So it's the same. هلا بس has too many meaning. We're gonna talk about it next session. كان معكم سامر من يلا عربي، ورح اشوفكم الدرس الجاي. بحبكم كتير.